Reports from various international human rights organizations indicate a significant rise in intolerance and hate speech against religious minorities in India and Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir since the Bharatiya Janata Party came to power in 2014. Well, this trend is also reported in occupied Jammu and Kashmir, as a report released by KMS highlighted that on the International Day of Tolerance, Hindutva groups with the tactic sport of ruling establishment continue to use violence, intimidation, terror and harassment against minorities on a daily basis in India. While the International Day of Tolerance aims to promote inclusion, peaceful coexistence and respect for different beliefs, values and cultures, Hindutva extremists under the patronage of Modi government continue to threaten, attack and kill minorities. They vandalize their places of worship and subject them to persecution physically, psychologically and economically. Well, the report further noted that extremist Hindus largely affiliated with the RSS, BJP, VHP and Bajrang Dal have been emboldened by government support to unleash terror on minority communities. Muslims, Christians and low-caste Hindus are treated as second-class citizens in what is being often called as the world's largest democracy. Well, apart from Muslim violence against anti-Christian and anti-Dalit violence was also highlighted, including attacks on churches, burning of religious literature, assaults on worshippers and attacks on schools. And these violations, they occur despite constitutional protections and freedom of religion. Pakistan has constantly raised the issue of growing intolerance and human rights violation in India and Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir at international forums, including the United Nations, calling for accountability and for the international community to facilitate a resolution of the Kashmir dispute in accordance with the UN resolutions.